Former My Own Worst Enemy TV star Bella Thorne live tweets her flight delay issues when the plane she was on gets into an accident. No one said you had to take the title of the show that literally. Hey guys, I'm Lee Sheps, and this is Buzz 60. The 17-year-old went on a tweeting rampage when her Virgin Airlines flight to London hit a wall, fence. She posted, "Just hoping this flight business gets sorted out so we can safely be on our way, all so tired from being stranded since 6 a.m. By the way, there were several other flights and options on other airlines. In a normal situation, you would just get on another flight." Virgin Atlantic then flew in with this response, "Sorry we let you down. The airport tug made a miscalculation causing the damage. Hope you see this as rare and unfortunate." Thorne eventually made it to London with help from Delta, but despite the difficulties it took to get there, looks like Thorne and her famous friends had a little fun even though they were grounded. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.